Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Today I am going to discuss locus. This is a geometry part. What is the locus? The locus of a moving point is the path of a point which is satisfies some geometrical conditions. Some geometrical conditions. Or another method also we will say that locus definition, that is the set of all points satisfying the given condition or a given property is called locus of a curve. Locus or a curve. Once again, see the set of all points satisfying a given condition or a given property is called a locus. Okay. Now see here one example is that if a point moves in a plane in such a way that its distance from a fixed point is always the same. That means here take that one fixed point and fixed point. Some distance. Distance means I am taking 4 units or 2 units. 2 units distance. This is 2 units. Move the locus like this. So we get one circle. Yes or no? We get one circle approximately. This is not exact circle. So anywhere you can take the distance. The distance should be 2 units only. I am taking 2 units. Okay. So these set of points, we will say that locus. This set of points, we will say that locus. This is a fixed point. C, P is the locus. And CP distance is fixed. This is 2 units. Anywhere you can take, no problem. Okay. The locus of a moving point is the path of a point which satisfies some geometrical conditions. Here, what is the geometrical condition, students? CP length 2 units. CP length 2 units. Anywhere you can take. So this path we will say that locus. Locus. What is the geometrical condition here? CP is equal to 2. But see the diagram here. The fixed point is taken P and the locus you can take Q. Okay. Now what is the geometrical condition here? PQ is equal to D. PQ is equal to D. Now the locus is circle. The locus is circle. The locus of the movable point is called a circle. Now go for another example. If a points move in a plane in such a way, then that its distance from two fixed points are always the same. The locus of the point is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. See here, these are the two fixed points are there. These are the two fixed points. Now take the one locus. For suppose I am taking the point here P, this is A and this is B. Now distance between PA is equal to distance between PB. Both are equal. So now geometrical condition is PA is equal to PB. Okay. Now what is the locus means? This is. For suppose P point take here, the distance is same. These distance are equal. For suppose take here, these two lengths are equal. For suppose take here, these two lengths are equal, like that. Now the set of points, we will say that locus. The locus is which type of locus? That is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means you know that perpendicular to AB and passing through midpoint of AB. Yes or no? Now once again see here. If a point moves in a plane in such a way that its distance from two fixed points are always the same, the locus of the point is perpendicular bisector. This red line is called locus. The locus is perpendicular bisector. And already here diagram is there. Just observe that here C, E, C, E, F, G, H and D. These are the points on locus. Each and every point is satisfying the geometrical condition. Satisfying the geometrical condition. Okay. So finally, the locus is here, perpendicular bisector. Now here, one more example is it. If the join of two fixed points A comma B subtends a right angle at P, then the locus of P is a circle on AB as diameter. Or suppose, take that one diameter here. This is the diameter AB. This is center. Or suppose this is A, this is B. And locus means the path of the circle only. Or suppose I am taking here P. Here observe that join AP and BP. Angle in a semicircle, you know that right angle. Here is the right angle 90 degrees. Here is the 90 degrees. See here, if the join of two fixed points A comma B subtends a right angle at P, then the locus of P is a circle on AB as diameter. So APB, angle APB is right angle triangle. Then here AB is hypotenuse of the triangle, hypotenuse of the triangle, and the locus of P is a circle, AB as a diameter. Okay, if end points of diameter given means how to find equation of circle? How to find equation of circle? This is the formula. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. And P is the locus, x comma y. X comma y. How to find that directly? Shortcut method. X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2. End points of the diameter, we know that means how to find equation of the circle. This is shortcut formula. If you don't know shortcut formula, follow the right angle triangle condition. What is that? PA square plus PB square, that is equal to AB square. Follow this method, you will get answer. Okay. Right. Now, what are the rules to find out the locus of a moving point? Here, three rules are there. Three rules are there. Just read the rules. If x and y coordinates of the moving point are given in terms of a third variable, say t, eliminating t between x and y, then get the required locus. Then get the required locus. Now second point, sometimes the coordinates of the moving point is taken as x comma y. In this case, the relation in x and y can be directly obtained by eliminating the variable. Suppose they will give the one point sin t comma cos t. Then what is the locus they will ask? Locus means that is you can take coordinates only x comma y. So x is equal to sin t, y is equal to cos t. So we want to eliminate the t. How to eliminate? Squaring and adding. X square plus y square is equal to, x means what? Sine t. X square means sine square t. Y square means cos square t. Here already we know that in trigonometry, sine square t plus cos square t, how much? 1. Now finally, the equation of locus is x square plus y square is equal to 1. But locus of P point, how we are taking? Sometimes we will take x comma y. Sometimes we will take x1 comma y1. Sometimes we will take alpha comma beta also. Whatever you can take, no problem. At the final stage, for suppose P value you are taken, P point you are taken alpha comma beta. After applying the geometrical conditions, all those, finally replacing alpha by x, beta by y. So then we get required locus. Then required locus is obtained. Some of the faculty members, the locus of P, they will take x1, y1. Some of the faculty, they will take alpha comma beta. Some of the faculty, they will take x and y only. Whatever you can take, final stage, the equation of locus is in the form of x comma y only. Okay, students. What is the locus definition, students? The set of all points satisfying a given condition or given property is called locus of a curve. That's enough. And the rules also you know very well. Okay. Right. This is the concept of locus. Now we are completed concept, locus concept. Now see these problems. Level 1 first problem. Read the question first. The locus of the point for which the sum of the distances from the coordinate axis is 9. Sum of the distances from the coordinate axis is 9. That means here, take that coordinate system. Here point is there, for suppose sum of the coordinate system here. See, this is x, sorry, this is y, this is x. X plus y, the sum is 9. This is I am taken in first quadrant. In first quadrant. If you are taken second quadrant, x is negative, y should be positive. So we get like that. X is positive, y is negative. If you are taken third quadrant, both are negative. If you are taken fourth quadrant, y positive, x negative. Sorry, x positive, y is negative. So finally, you can take like this. Modulus of x plus modulus of y, that is equal to, what is the condition? The locus of the point which the sum of the distances from the coordinate axis. Sum of the distances from coordinate axis. Mod x plus mod y is equal to 9. So first option is correct. Students, see the second question. The equation of the locus of the point whose distance from the x-axis is thrice that of from the y-axis. Thrice that of y-axis. Here, draw the small diagram. Then you will understood very easily. For suppose this is a point P. This is a point A. This is point B. Okay. Join this PA, PB. What they are given question? P is the locus. Locus means I am taking x comma y only. the locus of the point whose distance from the x-axis. So PA distance is equal to thrice the top from the y-axis. Thrice the top from the y-axis. Y-axis means PB length. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Already you know that these lengths should be x, these lengths should be y. Just to substitute, PA means y, that is equal to 3 into PB means x. By observing the options, do that squaring on both sides. We get y square is equal to 9x square. This is the equation of locus. Equation of locus is y square is equal to 9x square. This is the answer, students. Second option is correct. Now I am going to third question. The equation to the locus of a point. Locus means I am taking x comma y, for which the distance from P to 6 comma 5 is triple the distance from P to x-axis. So draw a small diagram. This is P point. For somewhere 6 comma 5 is there. This is you have to think A. Now on x-axis one point is there. This is B. PB and PA. Observe that P to 6 comma 5. So here A is 6 comma 5. Okay. P to A distance, that is equal to 3 times the distance from P to x-axis. P to x-axis mean that is PB. What is the locus here? X comma y. Then PB distance should be y. PB distance should be y. Or you can take B point, that is x comma 0. Anyone, no problem. Do that squaring on both sides. PA square is equal to 9 PB square. Why I am doing squaring on both sides? We know that distance between 2 points formula. What is that? Under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is the distance between 2 points. Square root is there now. That's why we want to eliminate the square root. So do that squaring on both sides. Now PA square, P to A distance, what is that? X minus 6 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square, that is equal to 9 into, what is PB distance, students? That is y. PB square means y square. Expand this, x square minus 12x plus 36 plus y square minus 10y plus 25. Right hand side 9y square, send left hand side, that is equal to 0. X square, y square minus 9y square minus 8y square minus 12x minus 10y, 36 plus 25, that is 61, is equal to 0. This is locus of P. Locus of P is, this is the answer. Students, which option is correct? Third option is correct. The locus of a point whose distance from the x-axis is 1/3 of its distance from origin. This is the question. Now draw the small diagram, then you will understand. For suppose this is point P. Point P. Now P to x-axis and origin to P. This is origin. What is P? X comma y. And this is point A. On x-axis, y coordinates 0 or not? X comma 0. Origin means you know very well. 0 comma 0. So what is the geometrical condition here? PA, P to A distance is 1/3 of from the origin. That means OP. OP. This is a geometrical condition. Now take cross multiplication. 3 into PA, that is equal to OP. Squaring on both sides. 9 PA square, that is equal to OP square. OP square. P to A distance, how much, students? PA distance should be y only. The point P to x-axis, the distance is y. The point P to y-axis means distance is x. Now in place of PA, write y square. OP square distance between origin to point, that is x square plus y square. Okay, y square send left hand side, you will get 8y square. 8y square is equal to x square. This is the answer. Or you can write x square is equal to 8y square. Which option is correct? First option. The locus of the point which is at a distance 5 units from x-axis. Oh, very easy question. See here, this is point P and this is P to x-axis. This is A. The distance is y given. P x comma y means what is PA distance? That is y or not? So that means here PA is equal to y given. Sorry, not y. That is 5. PA distance is 5. Okay. Do that squaring on both sides. PA square is equal to 25. So PA length, that is y. Just substitute. Y square is equal to 25. Y square minus 25 is equal to 0. And otherwise, go to another method. What is A point here? X comma 0 or not? On x-axis, y coordinates 0. A point is x comma 0. P point is x comma 5. Then apply that. PA is equal to 5. So you will get answer. Okay, that is lengthy method. This is very easy. Just 2 steps. Students, which option is correct? Second option.